This is Janet from Try It Like It Create It, and today I want to show you a quick blending technique. What I have here is a stamp from Concord and Ninth. It's actually a balloon. I don't really want to use it in the round shape. I'm going to actually cut it down to rectangle or triangle, but I want to show you a fun blending technique on a large flat stamp. So you just start building up your color of ink, and I have 5 inks here that I'm going to use to just kind of stamp a subtle rainbow, I guess you could say. So these are pinks and purples that I'm just blending onto the stamp and stamping over the previous color a little bit. And I'm okay if the lines aren't perfect between the colors, but I do want to tap out any harsh lines. And the next thing I'm going to do is just take a mister of water and spritz this once or maybe twice, and then stamp it onto my cardstock. So let that sit for just a second or two to get good transfer of the image. And then there you go. Now, if you had an area that didn't stamp very well, what you can do is take your ink and a cotton swab, ink up your cotton swab, and then go back into your image and just lightly tap where you want to blend that color in. And if you're worried that that color is too dark, you can always tap off to the side first, just to get some of that ink off of your cotton swab, and then go back into the piece. So you can see on this side here, where I tapped off, it's doing a much better blend. Than this area over here that was a little dark, and I like that darkness, so I am just going to build up the darkness in this corner as well. So hopefully those 2 tips help you out with your stamping.